where dreams soar to endless heights. Brilliance meets aspiration here, a journey filled with joy and cheer. We explore, we learn, create, building futures bold and great. With curiosity as our guide, in learning we take pride. Air Force School Gandhinagar, beyond compare. Magic true. Math solves puzzles old and new. Art and story spark delight. Creativity taking flight. We explore, we learn, create, building futures bold and great. With curiosity as our guide, in learning we take pride. Air Force School Gandhinagar, beyond compare. At our exhibition, wonders shine. Innovation by design, heritage, science, art unite. A future gleaming bold and bright. Final, they're strong, hand in hand, building dreams so bold and grand. Air Force School, we take flight, soaring high with all our might. Air Force School Gandhinagar, beyond compare. In the classroom, day and night, students work with all their might. Science, math, and arts, they blend. With every step, they aim to ascend. Together we dream, together we rise. With dedication we reach the skies. Teachers guiding, students strive. In every project we come alive. Air Force School Gandhinagar, we shine so bright. Through formulas, colors, and experiments bright, they've poured their hearts into the light. With every challenge, they never fear, building the future year by year. Together we dream, together we rise. With dedication we reach the skies. Teachers guiding, students strive. In every project we come alive. Air Force School Gandhinagar, we shine so bright. Thanks to the parents, and true, for the love and support they always knew. Together we stand, a team so grand, building dreams with a helping hand. Together we dream, together we rise. With dedication we reach the skies. Teachers, students, parents unite, creating a future shining bright. Air Force School Gandhinagar, bright and true, where we learn and dreams come through. Science, math, and stories old. Art with colors, bright and bold. Numbers sing, ideas rise. Creativity fills the skies. Together we grow, together we share.